The king of men, the lion of God, the hero without the peer. Overall, we can say Hazrat Ali alayhi salam is the universal hero of Islam. The titles achieved by him are Amir al-Momineen, which means the commander of the faithful. Babe Madinatul Ilm means the door to the city of knowledge. Murtuza means one who is chosen and contented. Asadullah means the lion of God. Haider means the brave heart. And the list is endless. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam is respected not only as a warrior and leader, but as a writer and religious authority too. The Shahnajaf Imambara is one of the renowned monuments of the Indian city of Lucknow, located in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The monument depicts a beautiful piece of architecture and is situated at a convenient distance from various points of transit. According to the history of Shahnajaf Imambara, Ghaziuddin Haider built the Imambara Shahnajaf at a place called Paltan Ghat on the banks of river Gomti in Lucknow as a token of his devotion to Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. It is supposedly a replica of his mausoleum at Najaf-e-Ashraf in Arabia. The Imambara has a portal on the front and one is built at the rear of the Imambara which faces the river. The entrance of tomb is flanked by a beautiful garden that sprawls across the entire area. Provided with a huge and impressive dome and built of Lakhori bricks in the lime concrete mortar, it has got a cloistered veranda all around the central building, and the walls of which are treated with the lime plaster. The central chamber is adorned with the zari of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, alams and taziyas on the Shahnashin, numerous chandeliers, mirrors, glass articles, portraits and paintings. This sprawling complex is further enclosed with a huge rising compound wall studded with an imposing gateway facing Gomti. The silver tomb of Ghaziuddin Haider lies in the center of the building. It also contains the graves of his wives Mubarak Mahal, who died in 1849, Sarfaraz Mahal, who died in 1878, and Mumtaz Mahal, who died in 1896 in the central hall. The Shahnajaf Imambara in Hazratganj, Lucknow presents a spectacular view when it is profusely decorated and illuminated on the birthday of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam on 13th of Rajab and between 7th to 9th of Muharram according to the lunar calendar. This place was also one of the strongholds of the freedom fighters in 1857, which was strongly defended by them, but eventually the British army captured it after a year of fierce fighting. People of every religious belief visit this sacred place with respect, love and devotion. In Muslim culture, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam is respected for his knowledge, belief, honesty, unbending devotion to Islam, deep loyalty towards Prophet Muhammad, generosity in forgiving his defeated enemies, and equal treatment to all mankind.